Hey folks, this is Raul here at WorldWideRV, the Jayco dealership here in Mesa, Arizona. Today I want to show you a brand new travel trailer for 2025, the Jayco J-Fed 29 QBH. This unit comes with two propane tanks, 20 pounders each, so 40 pounds of propane, integrated A-frame, vacuum bonded fiberglass, pre-wired for side and backup camera, really good storage with a battery disconnect. Moving along, electrical awning with LED lights all the way underneath, waterproof speakers outside, American-made Goodyear tires with American-made Dexter axles with self-adjusting electric brakes and easy lube bearings. Also, this unit has connection for outside TV. On-demand hot water with 60,000 BTUs. That's more than any other brand out there. Everyone else gives you 42,000 BTUs. This actually means that you can take hot showers even on cold mornings. And before we head inside, I just want to show you the outside kitchen with a 12-volt fridge. Here we are in the interior of the 29 QBH. As you can see, got really good counter space. The TV is right in front of the theater seating. The dinette turns into a bed as well. This unit has the 12-volt fridge along with the 200 watts of solar on the roof. This unit, by the way, is wired for 500 watts, so if you want to add more solar, you can. Let me show you the bunk room as well. This can be used for storage. It has a door that allows you to load up your bicycles or couch. Folds down into a bed, and it comes with an outside table, one of my favorite features about it. Top bunk also folds down, and you have two more bunks up here. As with all Jaycos, these single bunks are rated for 300 pounds. A bit more storage in here. Let me show you the bedroom. Here we are in the bedroom. This unit is a 50 amp unit, so if you'd like to add a second AC, it can be added. Or even if you just want an Air Max fan, that can be installed as well. This unit also has more storage here in the bedroom, and a queen size bed with USB plugs and normal plugs on both sides of the bed, and really good storage underneath as well. Spacious bathroom with a sink in it and a dressing cabinet. Also really good storage over here. This was the 2025 29 QBH. If you'd like to see this unit in person or many others that we have here, please come by. I'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.